Hi friends, I'm Smriti from Pilates Nest. Today's practice is a neck-friendly full body Pilates. Today's practice is designed to help you improve your strength, flexibility and mobility, and help you feel your best. Today we're going to be using a towel. It's optional, but you're welcome to go ahead and pause the video and grab the towel because you're going to be using this today to provide extra support for your head and neck. Sometimes we have tenderness or tension around the neck, and when we're doing exercises, it might need a little bit more support, so you can have that handy nearby. You can also use folded up blankets as well too, and let's go ahead and get started. Let's start laying down on the mat, and let's go ahead and turn around. And bring your legs about hip distance apart with knees bent and arms reaching long. Just take a time to find your spine, lengthening it up towards the ceiling. Set the shoulders down your back. Take a big breath in and deep breath out. Roll your pelvis back. As you roll down vertebra by vertebra, laying yourself down on the mat and resting the head on that towel. So adjust yourself here on the mat if you need to here, making sure the head feels completely comfortable there, and adjust the height of the towel as needed. From here, rest your hand by your side, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath in, feeling the ribs stretch on the mat. And as you exhale, hollowing out the abdominals in and up, away from the front of your shirt. And deep breath in through the nose, softening the body as you exhale out all the air. Full breath in. And exhale out completely, coming back to your natural rhythm of breath. From here, going into a neck stretch, gently stretch your head towards, so bringing the head in towards your chest, so you're stretching the back of the neck. And then back towards the ceiling and behind you. So center, chin to chest, back to neutral and behind. Center, in, center, and back. And in, center, and back. And in, and going into head circle now. So imagine you have a drop of paint right on top of your nose. You're going to paint the ceiling with that. So circling to one side, keeping the head on the towel as you turn around and up, one more this way, and then reverse, going the other way. Shoulders gliding away from those ears, neck is soft as you circle two more. Last one, and center. From here, check in with your pelvis and just bring it into a good, comfortable, neutral position here. Going into imprint, lengthen your low back on the mat as you tilt the pelvis towards you, and then bring that pelvis back into neutral. So in that neutral, there's a little space between your lower back and the mat. So we're just imprinting, stretching our low back and bringing it back into neutral. Two more like that. Stretch and in, and feels so good. And bring it back into neutral. Slide both legs on the mat. And bring the arms up towards the ceiling. Reach those arms back behind you towards your ears and point your toes. We're going to do a variation of 100 here. So from here, you're going to inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 as you bring the hands forward and flex the toes towards you, flexing the foot on the right and the left. And point the feet as you reach your arms out, lengthening it away. So inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck is soft. 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more set. In 2, 3, 4, 5, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold here and stretch, softening the neck, settling the shoulders down your back, and bring the hands back towards the side. Bend the knees in and turn over sideways to face me. Going into your Sidekick series here. You have some options here. You can fold that towel again and place it on your upper arm and rest your head here, or you can prop yourself up using your palm as well, or you can bend your elbows. So for today, I'm going to use my towel and rest my head there for that support for the neck. From here, legs come forward for front, kick forward. So kick forward, 2 pulses forward and 2 pulses back. Kick, kick, and reaching back. Kick, kick, and lengthen back. Kick, kick, and reach back. Bottom leg is pressed down to help you stabilize. Abdominals are scooped in and up. Last one, kicking forward and back. Stack those legs right on top of each other. Going into up and down. Point the toes and lift up and down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Imagine you're brushing the wall in the corner with your feet. Up and down. Last one. Up and down. Leg circle. Bring that top leg up hip height. Staying light on that neck, resting on the pillow and going up, around and in. So we're going back, around and in, back, around and in. 2 more. Last one. Lower the leg, bend the knee in, hold on to your towel and come up to seated, and let's go to the other side. Side lying position. Arm reaches out straight. Rest your head on your towel. From here, legs are stacked, shoulders gliding down your back. Top leg comes up hip height. Double leg kick forward and kick back. Flex and point. Settle those ribs onto the mat to stabilize. And reaching back, you're doing amazing. Stick with me, you got this. And back. Kick, kick, and reach back. Last 2. Last one, and back. Stack those legs together. Now, if you were feeling a little wobbly on that one, you need a little bit more support, you can bend your knees as well. So I'm going to stay here pointing out to the side, going into your up and down, up and down. Inhale, lift that top leg up, and exhale, stretch it down. 2. Last one, and lower. Bring that top leg up hip height. Imagine I'm stretching, pulling your leg away from the hip, opening that leg, going into leg circle back behind you, around and up, around and up. 2 more. Last one, and rest the leg there. From here, turn over onto your stomach. Bring your towel with you, and rest your forehead on top of the towel here. Bring your hands outside of your shoulders, legs are hip distance apart. Press your pelvis onto the mat. Gently lift the head, neck, and the shoulder up. Turn your head towards me, smile, and turn the neck around and in, and reverse that head circle. And lower your head back. One more time. Press the pelvis, scoop the belly button in and up. Lengthen the head, neck, and the shoulder up. Turn the head to one side. Round and up. Center, reverse. And center and lower your head back down. Tuck your toes under. And press back into the rest pose here. Flexing those toes. You can bring your towel with you and rest your forehead there. Another option is you can stack your fists, make 2 fists, and rest your forehead there too if that feels better for your neck. Breathe and enjoy this stretch. And come up to seated. Let's go ahead and lay down on our back. So set up, hold on to the towel, and let's go lie down on the back. From here, arms reach forward. And rolling down vertebra by vertebra, place the pillow underneath your head for that support. So first, find a good, comfortable position here. I'm good here. Hope you are good where you're at too. Going into single leg stretch. Bring your right leg into tabletop, left leg into tabletop. Already, I want to make sure I'm not holding on to my neck while my legs are up here. Engage your abdominals. So let the abs do the work. Bend your right knee in, left leg goes straight up, and switch and hold. Keep looking straight up towards the ceiling. So keep that head in line with the spine as you switch, switch, and switch, switch. Stretch the leg away. Imagine them pulling your legs, lengthening those legs, building strength, flexibility, improving your mobility, and switch, 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 switch. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend both knees in. Bring the legs into tabletop here. Rest your hand by your side, going into a supine spine twist here. So we're gonna go ahead and press those legs into the midline. Imagine those two legs have become one. Bring the hands out slightly into a diagonal here, making a V with your arms. And twist and rotate the pelvis away from me. Keep those kneecaps right next to each other, shoulders glued to the mat. And then exhale to bring it back in. Inhale, reach up and over to the other side. Keep those inner thighs glued. Engage your stomach and in. So to make it a little more challenging, you can straighten your leg and do side, center, and side, center. Now, if you feel like your neck feels super tight when you do that, so go back to your bent knee position. Engaging those obliques, keep the shoulders on the mat. Mine was coming up, so I had to adjust and realign there. Trying to keep the kneecaps next to each other. Twist and rotate, and exhale to bring it back in. Twist and rotate, and in, right back to your middle. Bend your knees in, hug the knees in towards you. Lower your leg down, turn over sideways, and come onto your kneeling position. The wrist is right underneath the shoulders here, so right underneath here. And we're going to bring the knees right underneath the hips here. From here, you're going to walk your hands a little bit further away from your shoulders. So from here, we're going to go into Pilates push-ups with bent knee. And the key here is we want to bring that head in line with the spine, making sure that now that we shifted forward, our wrist is still underneath our shoulder, so I had to adjust. Go check in with yours as well too. And you're going to bend the elbows towards your ribs and press up. Press those fingertips, the heel of your hand onto the mat to press up. Engaging the upper back, inhale, lower to the towel and lift right back up. Making sure we're not clenching the neck as we go up and down, lower and lift. You can even just hold this position. And 2 more. Last one up. Lower the feet, and walk yourself back in. Turn around to face me. Legs are crossed or whatever position feels good on you. Going into arm circles here. Bring the hands out to the side. From here, we're going to circle the arms up, around and in. So arms are moving in the shoulder joints, around and up. Imagine waterfall flowing down your neck, feeling a little relaxed, light, and around and up. Out, around, and in. Out, around, and in. We're going to go a little bit faster here now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go the other way. So circle forward and up. Keeping the ribs still. Pelvic floor muscles engaged. Up and reach. Reach, reach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And lower the hands back down. Roll the shoulder blades back, around and up. Around and up. 1 more. And in. Turn the head to one side and circle the neck down towards the ground. Up and center. Reverse. And center. Bring one arm up and place it on top of the opposite ear. Press the bottom hand onto the thigh gently and guide that neck up and over rather than a pull. It's just to stretch and lengthen and tilt the head downward so you get that stretch to the back of the neck. Breathe here. Breathe into that part of the body. And gently guide the head back and up And lower, other side. Inhale, lift up. Place the fingertip on top of the ear and gently guide that neck up and over. Shoulders still side by side. And then gently tilt the head forward. Mine feels a little tight on that side more. And guide that head back, up. Bring the hands to your side. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, bringing in fresh air and energy back into your body. And as you exhale, take this moment to notice how you feel. Notice how good it feels to take time for yourself, having this time to recharge your mind, body, and spirit, and do what feels best for you. Great job. I'm so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. I hope you enjoyed this video, this neck-friendly video, to help you improve your strength, flexibility, and mobility, and help you feel your best. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, and I will see you again on the mat very soon. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel and tap that notification bell, and let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below. See you soon again in the next video.